Greetings, my lovely people. Common Sense chapter 1 verse 6 says, I fell, I rise, I made mistake, I learn, I got hurt, I bounce back. I am not perfect, I am human. I have confidence, I have faith. I will continue putting one foot in front of the other and moving forward. That is what strong men and women do. You need to understand this. If you can understand this before going into any marriage, the marriage will last, the friendship will last, the relationship will last. You need to understand that no one is perfect. Even when you are doing business with someone, you get misunderstanding. It is only when you understand all these things, it is only when you understand that you can be able to hold that thing. It is only when you understand this that you can last long in that marriage, in that friendship. Share this message and be a blessing to someone. Thank you.